Hey everyone, how are you? This is me, Mustafa Ali, and I've got something new today. It's not for the Supra. Well, finally I've got a place that have the Supra and the Jeep together, but I've got something new for the Jeep. Let's have a look at it. It's gonna be only unboxing today, and I'll try to install it tomorrow morning, and then I'll have another video for the installation. Okay, excuse me for the mess. I just had the sunroof or the panoramic roof serviced yesterday. The thing that I wanted to upgrade is the infotainment system. Finally, I've got my eyes on something and I made the call to buy it. I've been looking for some infotainment system for quite some time, but most of the head units that I found on eBay or AliExpress or whatever website, it has minimal specs. The pixels or the resolution are very low, the RAM is very low, it's laggy, the touch is not so good. It had so many software issues, especially the Tesla ones, the one that has the long screen like the Teslas. It looks good, but I haven't seen any review on YouTube that says it's good. Most of the people complain about the laggy screen. Sometimes it freezes, so you have to restart it. Basically, I think it's not reliable, and I wanted to go a different route, and I found this head unit. It's called Teyes, and it seems to be very good. The specs, they have 4, 6, and 8 gigabyte RAMs. They have 2K resolutions. The touch sensitivity are very good, the processing are very good, no software issues, and it is specifically compatible to the Grand Cherokee. And they have the facial. I'll show you. You see this facial right here. So this is the stock head unit, but the TIs send you a new head unit with the whole facial because it will fit perfectly on the new one. Let's have a look at it. We'll do the unboxing right now. Okay guys, we're gonna make this very quick. We have the box for the screen, we have the facial and bunch of wirings. I'm gonna show you something. This is the facial that I received that comes with the screen, and it should fit directly on the car as a replacement of the stock one without any problem, and it will look just like the OEM screen. And this is the screen. Obviously it is bigger. If you see the dimension, it is obviously bigger than the original one, and it will fit right here. Beautiful. The wirings, we have everything we need. We have the GPS, we have the Wi-Fi antenna, we have the mic, the reverse camera, everything really we need. This is the adapter to fit the OEM from the Grand Cherokee to these wires, which will go on the back of the head unit. And the most important thing is this small, I don't know what they call it, but this small thing will interact between the screen and your car. So all of the functions will remain working on the new screen. The seat heatings, the steering wheel heatings, everything really, it will be available here, just like using it in the original infotainment system. I guess that's it, and I will see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.